Once you install OneDrive onto your computer, then you need to set it up so that it syncs out the files from OneDrive onto your computer directly. So to do that, once the OneDrive is installed, or if you're using Windows 10, you can directly access out OneDrive from the Start menu right here. So once you install out OneDrive, you can also access out OneDrive over here, as you can see, and it says not signed in. You can also alternatively go around onto your Start menu, and then over here, you can type in OneDrive as well. Once you do that, OneDrive app is here, as you can see, and you can click on this right here to open up OneDrive. Alternatively, as I said, you can also go around over here and then click on sign in from over here. But I'm going to go around and use the dialog box that just popped up. So you can see that my email address is already here. That is because I already logged in using this email address in Windows itself. So if you were to go around and click on sign in, then what happens is that it'll go on to the loading right here. And it'll ask you to do the next step if necessary. You can see that there's this the disclaimer right here regarding owner of data and protection, as you can see. So you can set up OneDrive as long as it is your personal device, but doing this in a public device means that your files won't be safe. So I'm just going to go around and click right here, and I'm going to send optional data to help improve these apps because I want the apps to improve. So I'm going to click on accept right here. So once you do that, you can see that it'll choose a default folder for OneDrive, and that is C user tutor OneDrive right here. But if I want to change the location to any other location as I want, you can go around over here and select out another drive over here just like this as well, and OneDrive will be saved onto that particular folder. In my case, I'm selecting L over here, as you can see, just like this, and the files for OneDrive will be saved onto that particular location now. So I'm going to click next right here, and once you do that, what happens is that you can see that it's loading the next process right here. So whatever is required, and it is asking you whether you want to back up all of these right here, like documents, pictures, desktop, and so forth. So I do want to back up everything, so I'm going to click on start backup right here, and everything will start syncing. So whatever files you have right here will start syncing. I'm not going to use the premium version, so I'm just going to click on not now right here. And over here, it says add items, drag or move into OneDrive. So now you can access OneDrive from your computer itself and then access out files as if it was stored on your own computer. So you can click on next, and here you can see all your files are ready and on demand right here. And depending on the icon that you see right here, it means different things, and it shows it right here. Like this means online only, this means only on the device, and this is always available right here. Click on next and you can get the mobile app as well, but I'm going to click later right here. And if I were to click on open my OneDrive folder, then what happens is that it opens this up, as you can see right here. And this is my OneDrive. This is my computer, as you can see right here. And then I got all of my desktop, my documents, and everything else which is in the OneDrive. And now I always will be able to access my OneDrive desktop over here from my PC itself. So if I were to go to this PC setting right here, you can see that I have my OneDrive files right here. And I can also go around over here onto OneDrive right here, and you can see that everything is actually being synced out right here. And if I were to click on open folder, then it opens out the OneDrive folder from over there as well. And you can see the status of whether it is being synced or it is only in the device, and see this out right here, just like this. And that is how you can set up OneDrive inside of Microsoft Windows. And similar process can be followed for other operating systems such as Mac as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.